Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, my name is Natalie. Today I'm going to do corn dough. Don't call it banku dough. So that's what I'm going to be doing now. But because we are in abroad, we don't have the corn. So I have my Indian head white cornmeal. So I'm going to open this. One is 2 kilo 27, so I'm going to pour on. Then I have here the yellow cornmeal. I just want to make it have that corn dough color we have back home. I saw it on Sweet and Jelly video. She used half of this, half of the yellow one, with one bag of the white one. No, that's enough. So she mixed all up. So I'll start adding the water bit by bit. We don't want it to be too watery or too dry. She pressed all down, very firm. cover it up with my cover, and we are done. I will leave it for 7 days to ferment. Okay. This is the frozen cassava I got. So I will leave it in the bag for 7 days to defrost and ferment. Then I will blend it. Okay. It's been 7 days now. My cassava is ready. So I have to just take the core out. And wash it and blend it. Already made one. Very easy. Very, very easy. Yeah. So now my cassava is washed already. So I just have to separate it so that it can be easy for the blender to blend. And that's it. I'll have my, you see, it's very easy. Very easy. But if you get this one, very easy. All the core, everything is ready. Everything is out already. You just have to cut it the way you want for you, the way you think your blender can blend it smoothly, and that's it. So you have 2 options. Okay. Now I'm going to blend it, but I'm adding small water so that the blender can spin. Wow, look the way my cassava is smooth. Blend very, very well. Wow, I'm impressed. Wow. Okay, let's continue. It's been 7 days now. My corn dough is ready. It's fermented. Okay. I just have to remove this part. We don't need it. I'm going in with my hand. It's perfect. I have my condo. I'm not going to buy the one in the Indian shop. Now the blending process is done. I have my corn dough fermented already, the same times as cassava. So I'm going to mix them up. You have to mix all until all will be combined. I love my banku or akume to be soft, and I love to mix it with a lot of cassava. With the cassava, your banku will be ready on time. I am even lucky I did this fermentation process last week because the weather has changed very bad. Freeze it. Okay, and then I'll put them in the freezer. My akume dough is ready. There you have it. I can't wait to cook my ademe or my okro to eat with. Thank you for watching. Please like, share, subscribe if you have not done that. Thank you. Bye. See you next time. Bye.